If you are searching for a good headphone under 3K with active noise cancellation, good sound quality and even a custom equalizer in the app, then today we have the Boat Rockers 512 ANC, and honestly it impressed me. I have been using this headphone for last 15 days and I have to say for this price range, it's a solid package. Of course there are some minor drawbacks, we will talk about that. But most of the features are actually really good. So let's get started with the unboxing. The box gives a nice premium feel. Inside you get the headphone, a Type-C charging cable and aux cable, a carrying pouch. Yes, Boat included one this time. Wow, it's premium and classy. The design comes in a matte finish with a solid build. It weighs around 400 grams. The cushions are soft, so no discomfort during long listening sessions. The only thing is if you are using it in a hot weather, the ear cups might get a little sweaty. It's foldable, the ear cups rotate and it automatically adjusts according to your head, and the headband has a metal reinforcement which makes it more durable. The buttons are tactile. You get a dedicated ANC button, volume control and a multifunction button for power, play, pause, voice assistant and more. And yes, you can customize these button functions through the Boat app. There's aux input but no SD card slot. Bluetooth 5.4 is here, so pairing is quick and the connection is stable. The real highlight though is the Boat hearable apps. From the app you can control ANC, ambient mode, also you can turn off ANC, customize button functions, use custom equalizer. If you want you can create one or you can use one of the presets, get firmware updates and even access JioSaavn or Kuku FM directly from the app. This headphone packs 40mm dynamic drivers with Boat's signature sound. The output is loud, the bass is deep and the overall tuning feels balanced. It's not overly punchy or muddy, which is good. But yes, the treble and the vocals could have been a bit clearer. That extra crispness in highs would have made it even better. Still, for the price of 2799, the sound quality is genuinely impressive and more than enough for casual listeners, movies and even long music sessions. Now this is the feature that impressed me the most. You get 40 dB hybrid ANC. I tested it outdoors and it cancels around 50 to 60% of background noise. On public transport or while traveling, it makes a huge difference. And the ambient mode works really well too. You can hear outside sounds naturally without that robotic effect. Switching between mode is super easy with just one button. For calls, you get ENX voice technology. Basically, the mics filter out background noise and keep your voice clear. I tested it in a noisy environment and people on the other side could hear me clearly.
The voice you are hearing right now was recorded using the mic of this headphone, so this is how you will sound to people while on a call.
For gamers, there's Beast mode with 40 ms low latency. Even in wireless mode, lag is barely noticeable. If you want zero latency, just plug in the aux cable. But keep in mind, in wired mode, the internal mic turns off, so no mic support there. Still, for gaming, this headphone holds up really well.
Beast mode.
This is such a useful feature. You can connect it to two devices at once. Imagine you are watching a movie on your laptop and suddenly your phone rings. It automatically switches to the call and pauses the laptop audio. Super useful. Boat claims 80 hours of playback, but in real world use with ANC on and calling, I got about 30 to 40 hours. There's an 800 mAh battery inside but no fast charging. A full charge takes about 2.5 hours, which honestly feels a bit long. I mean, my headphone takes 2.5 hours to charge. Meanwhile, my husband takes 2.5 hours just to decide what to watch on Netflix. So I guess both need patience. Overall, the Boat Rockers 512 ANC is definitely one of the best headphones under 3000. The sound is balanced, ANC is effective, app support with custom equalizer is a huge bonus, and the design feels premium. Yes, fast charging is missing and treble and vocals could have been clearer, but for 2800 to 3000, you are getting a lot of value here. Launch price is 2799 and it's available on Amazon and Flipkart. I will drop the links in the description description, check them out. Alright guys, stay smart, subscribe to AR Smart and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I am Ankita and see you guys in the next one.